In what comes as a big relief for Indian students in the United States, the Trump government has announced temporary modifications to the visa requirements for the fall 2020 semester. This will allow a mixture of both in-person as well as some online coursework to meet requirements for, in fact, non-immigrant student status. The temporary accommodation provides greater flexibility for non-immigrant students to continue their education in the United States. This move comes after US announced withdrawal of visas for foreigners whose classes have moved completely online. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, good morning. Can you just explain to us what this new order by the United States government really means for students who are studying in the United States?
Well, the decision by the State Department came at a time when the country is battling with coronavirus, and keeping that in mind, the decisions were taken by the government and the Homeland Security on those students who are pursuing their online courses and do not go to classes at all, to either leave the country or risk deportation. So that was a very serious matter. It was raised during the Foreign Office consultations yesterday by Harsh Shringla, Foreign Secretary of India, with his counterpart. And during discussions, sources have told India today that the U.S. side has said that they are waiting for a response on the implementation guidelines from the Homeland Security, and that they will keep the best interests of the students in mind. That's what the United States of America and the State Department said yesterday during the Foreign Office consultations. So while the statement has come on the rules and regulations and the guidelines placed by the DHS, India is yet to hear from the State Department on how they're going to keep the best interests of students in mind, and if they are going to look at the implementations and guidelines of the DHS.
And while the statement, Geeta, is welcome, because you've got the United States government saying that, look, international students are welcome in our country, they will be accommodated. Is there really any change, any norm that's been tweaked with regards to their order on online courses?
The fact that these are the order comes from the U.S. government on the online courses because of the kind of social distancing and the need and requirement for lesser people to be in the country if they're not required, was an assessment that was made by the Department of Homeland Security. Now, there are two separate departments that are involved over here. For now, we've seen the entire detailed statement and guidelines put out by DHS. And then there is a statement that has come out by the State Department reiterating those. But sources have told India today that while officially they've put this in public domain, given that it's a public decision made by the government, within their own system, they are going to review the concerns that India has raised yesterday when Foreign Secretary Shringla spoke with the State Department officials. And the sense that we are getting, that the Indian side is getting, is that they are going to look at the best interests of the students, is what has been conveyed to India. So they might surely be looking at those modifications and not to inconvenience students who, per force, have been asked to take up online classes and not asked them to leave the country anytime soon.
All right, Geeta, thank you for breaking down the details that we have at hand at this point. The message from the United States is that they're going to be going ahead and reviewing their previous order, because the government has maintained that we welcome students from all countries to the United States.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.